Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 14, Session 50, Final Review and Self-Study Plan. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to review all Term 1 chemistry units and create a targeted study plan. Listen for these key terms: review, error log, mastery, retrieval practice, study plan. First, keep the 3 chemistry levels together. Final review is not rereading everything equally. It is targeted retrieval. Start with an error log. List missed ideas, classify each error, and choose a repair action. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. Use a 4-part review cycle. Retrieve, check, repair, retest. For every missed question, name the concept and the exact step that failed. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now, let's work an example. Building a study plan. If you miss a stoichiometry question because you forgot to balance the equation, your repair is not study harder. The repair is write the balanced equation first. List coefficients as mole ratios, then solve 3 similar problems. If you miss molecular polarity, draw Lewis structure and shape before judging dipoles. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning. Here is a second example. A strong final plan includes daily mixed practice. Day 1 may focus on atomic structure and periodic trends. Day 2 on bonding and shapes. Day 3 on equations and moles. Day 4 on stoichiometry and solutions. Day 5 on acids, bases, and full mixed practice. Now answer this self-check. What are the 4 steps in the review cycle? A strong answer should include retrieve, check, repair, retest. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Write your top 5 weakest chemistry skills from Term 1. Task 2. Make 1 original problem for bonding, 1 for stoichiometry, and 1 for solutions. Task 3. Complete a 20-question mixed review and update your error log. At the end of your study, write 1 sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.